My name is Audrey.
And I'm Ryan, and today we're going to be opening up this quantum scalar for the PC. So it basically indicates your flow in your PC. It's like a spinning wheel. So the fluid enters here and it exits here, and all it does is it shows that the liquid is flowing. I'm going to be showing you where the flow indicator goes on the graphics card. So it goes right here, and it's it. So it flows into the graphics card.
Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe.